Type K copper. Question: does one flare, braze, or sweat the copper with solder? The answer is, generally speaking, on the water side, most of the water lines that use Type K copper are flared fittings, so they use a flared fitting. I have come across one gentleman one time that said he actually brazed them. So you can braze them for heating and air conditioning, so I'm not certain if that's a good way, but generally speaking, these are flared fittings for the bendable type K copper. So again, Type K copper, bendable, use a flared fitting as a general rule. It's not exact science. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.